Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I am going to be unboxing my very first rep package from According to Ali, and I did make the announcement on my community tab here on YouTube, and you guys can use code Stephany15 to save 15% on your order up until April, which is when she'll switch rep teams. So I am just super excited for my very first package. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I've ordered from her shop so many times, so I already know the packaging is amazing and so is the quality. I am just so obsessed with her stickers, and I was so excited to be able to apply for her rep team this time around. So here it is. You get this little thank you card and a special code to save money on the back. So let's go ahead and open this. I just love her packaging. So here we have a little freebie that she includes with her packages, and they're always new and fresh. I don't know how often, but she always makes it a point to include a freebie. And so the first sheet that we have here is called Happy Birthday, and just look at these beautiful flowers with the cake and the slice of cake and the presents. That is so pretty for a birthday spread. And so then we have Let's Get Physical. So we have all these cute little icons to get you motivated to get moving. So these are super cute. And then we have these budget sticker sheets. So we have a no spend, payday, bill due, paid, and auto pay, and these are in clear sticker paper, so you can see the difference right away from clear and paper stickers. And so here we have herbs, and so I just love the black and white theme. The lines are so pretty, and you guys can always just layer any of these. And then we have these ones. I actually love the black shading right here in the middle. I think it is so pretty and just simple and really pretty. And look at these hearts for Valentine. I love the clean black and white look. Very, very neutral X's and O's and some hearts. And then we have her alcohol ink sheets. These are so pretty. At first, when I ordered these, I didn't know how to use them, what to do with them, but they layer so beautiful, and you guys will find your style. These are just so pretty to layer, and I'm guessing that I'm going to be layering them with maybe some watercolor hearts. I love the colors. So we have the blush alcohol ink, and then we have the lavender alcohol ink. These are just so unique and so pretty. I don't think I've seen another shop carry anything like these, and trust me, they're so pretty. So make sure that you guys are following According to Ali on Instagram, and she does have a YouTube channel here as well. So make sure you guys check her out. That way you guys can see how she uses her own stickers. So then we have Instagram quotes too. Everyone's life is a glorious, beautiful shit show. No one escapes that. You are the best thing I didn't plan. Be brave enough to be bad at something new. Don't be distracted or discouraged by the people who can't see in you what you see in yourself. And then a girl should be two things: who and what she wants. And then the last one, brain. I can see you're trying to sleep. Can I offer a selection of your worst memories from the past 10 years? Super, super cute and funny. And then we have fitness. So we have rest day, hydrate, meal prep, workout. So obviously these would go great hand in hand with the Let's Get Physical sticker sheet. So perfect match. And then we have these beautiful Birch Trees. I just think they are so pretty. As soon as I saw these, I just fell in love with these. They are just very beautiful, and I love the attention to detail. She hand draws all of these, and she is just so talented. So then we have Love Blooms. I love the color scheme on this one. I love these touches of like gray. I think they're so pretty. And then we have mugs, and these are just such a beautiful print on every single one of them. This one actually matches her sticker album, and I thought I had one. Oh, actually, I didn't grab this one. I picked up the other one, which is the pink print, which is this one right here. And I'm pretty sure she still has these available. And this one contains all of her sticker sheets. And here we have the black alcohol ink and just all of the previous sticker sheets that I had ordered. So I love this sticker album. It is just great to place either these sticker sheets or just any sticker sheets in general. So I'll be filling this album up with more of her sticker sheets. So we have the mugs and also the conversation hearts. These are just so cute and just take me back to my childhood. And look at this. IDC, so I don't care. Can you not forever go away? Boy, bye. You're my lobster. ABCDFU. Bay, text me. Cringe. Too cute for you. Kiss me. Be mine. LOL. Nope. XOXO. How cute are these? They're just so pretty. And Ellie's sense of humor is just out of this world. I love it. So we have this like Valentine's Day theme, and I think it's so pretty. You can layer it with the blush alcohol ink or black. Just make sure you guys check out her website because she has these now available, which are her current new releases, and just so many other sticker sheets available. And I cannot wait to show you how I use these. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.